Clayton State University Library uses Open Athens to authenticate off-campus users who are trying to access our electronic resources such as our databases and journals. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in if you are off campus. So let's begin by searching for a Galileo database from the library homepage. So we would be on the search menu, and from the alphabetical bar, we'll click on the letter N, and then we'll select the Nursing and Allied Health database. If you're off campus, you're going to be prompted to enter your Clayton State user ID, followed by @student.clayton.edu or clayton.edu if you're faculty or staff. After you sign in, Open Athens is going to redirect you to the database. This usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds. And now we're in the database and we can begin our search. An alternative method of getting into Galileo from the library homepage is to click on Journals and then select Galileo. And you'll notice that it puts me directly into Galileo because I had previously logged in through Open Athens, and a session in Open Athens lasts for 8 hours unless you clear your browser history or your cookies. So let me show you this again. I've just paused and cleared my browsing history, and I'm going to click on the Galileo link again. And so because we haven't logged into Open Athens previously, we get to this page. It does prompt you to enter a Galileo password here, but this is not how you log in via Open Athens. Via Open Athens, you want to click on Public Library, Public College or University from the Wayfinder menu. And then from the drop-down menu, select Clayton State University and click Go. And again, you'll be prompted to enter your Clayton State credentials and click Sign In. And now we're ready to search Galileo.